Hey, what's going on, YouTube? We're back with a small update. We're getting this thing rolling, getting it moving. You know, every day's a little bit more of an adventure with it. Laid down some Bondo. It rained a little bit, so I had to pull it back in. Showing metal, so laying that down. I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to start it up this video. I wanted it actually fully painted, but the weather has been really fucked up lately. It's been garbage. So, windy, fucking raining, moisture, too much. So, what we're going to do today is I'm going to start this thing up. I'm going to get her running for you. Give me a minute. Let me plug up the battery. And we'll go from there. Yeah, we're back. We just got to hook up my power connector. It's called the probe. Because I got to run, I'm running a push button start. So, get this thing knocked out. Hold on. Damn, this is what happens when you try to make a longer video. But we got the tools, we got the technology. Let's get this bitch started. Huh? How about that? I think this thing's going to make some good power. To tell you the truth. But that's just me. A lot of people hate the D series. They're like, oh, they talk shit. Talk shit. Alright. Got the ECU hooked up. Let's get this thing turnkey. Oh, fuel pump. Damn. Right, moment of truth, people. Right there, you see that? Hear that? Hear that? On the path to greatness. That's all I gotta say. Let's be ready for it. You know what I mean? She'll be tuned up, ready to go, baby. Pieces.